how to add products to wishlist in Amazon shopping. In this video I'm going to show you how you can wishlist different items. First of all, open the application. Now you can select the item that you want to buy or wishlist. So here simply tap on the product. Here I'm tapping on one. So these are the details about the product. Here you'll be able to find the seller and different information about this product. Now here on the bottom you can see this love icon. Simply tap on this love icon. So as you can see, it has been saved into a wish list. So later you can check it out if you want to buy it again. So we can do it for other products too. So this is a way of letting yourself know what are your favorites. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.